Hi, how are you? Hi, I fine thank and you? I fine too. Hey, I want to know about your daily routine. What do you do every day? Well, I usually get up at 6 a.m. Then I shower and have breakfast. After that, I go to work and I come back in the afternoon. Great. And what things don't you every day? I don't usually take the bus home and I don't usually watch TV. Oh, I see. When do you do your homework? I usually do my homework 6 p.m. And what time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 12 a.m. Now, tell me about yourself. What do you do every day? I get up at 5 a.m., have breakfast, and go to work. I also exercise the afternoon. Great. What things don't you do every day? I don't cook at home and I don't do the laundry at home. When do you exercise? I usually exercise at 7 p.m. And what time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 11 p.m. Away son, we both have very busy days. Yes, we do.